So this is Philip Kumar from National College of Technology and Department of Computer Science Engineering. So now I'm going to tell about what is a file production in a file sharing systems. So file production. So it's a file owner or a creator should be able to control the one single file. So what this means? So how the file is securely sent or securely used. So it means what can be done and by whom. So before I said that the drive link is shared to anyone means it is not a secureable. So the file sharing the link is going to send the respective persons to access the through their mail only. So what type of access available in a file production means? So we have a read, write, execute, and append and delete and list. So these are the type of access in a file production method. We have to access all the files through the individual mail systems. So access list and groups. So mode of access: read, write, execute. The three class of users of Unix and Linux. For example, owner access it is 7. Read and write and Linux is a 111 is a common method, and group access is 6. Read and write access is 110, and the public access is 1. It is a read and write access is 001. So ask manager to create a group called a unique name, say G, and add some users to the group. For a particular file, say game or a subdirectory, define an appropriate access. In this, for example, owner, a group, and public. So we have a Chomic and game 761. So attach a group of file called character group and G game. So the access list of groups will execute one of the read and write and execute methods only. So it will going to use one set of Linux and Unix file systems. So Windows 7 access control list management. So in this list panel, so the Java property is given. So we have categories like general, security, and details, and the previous versions. So in this case we are going to only use a security concept. So in a security we want to have an object name. So object name is one of the called of path name. So where we will going to store or where we will going to attach the file concepts. So in this case, so we have to select the group of users name with the different guide or different gestures. We can change any permission, or we can change any type of security. Means we have to access the files first and then create the own concepts. Okay, and then we can permission for a guest means it is going to full control and modify or read and execute and read and write and special permissions. We have to allow or deny for these operations to the guest operations. So then only they are using the files in their systems. For example, for special permissions or advanced settings, we have advanced again, and we have to click and we have to identify the what are the different advanced concept service or file protections in these guest methods. Okay, so it is a sample Unix directory listing method for a file processing or a file listing concept. So these are all the different files with the different staff and different faculties methods of the given read. So who are going to read and who are going to write and who are going to draw and who are going to send the mail, is a staff or a faculty, and the unique code and the date and which program is bugged and which program is count. So all the things are simple direct listings. Okay, so this is my reference.